Good morning and welcome to day 7 of my May Kickstart Challenge. So as you know, I'm on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan, and today is the last day of my May Kickstart Challenge. Now, I've actually been on plan since the previous Monday, so I think we're on like day 9. So I'm getting ready to head to work, and for my first fueling, I'm bringing the frothy cappuccino drink mix. I'll make some black coffee when I get to the office and use my milk frother to have this cappuccino for my first fueling. Then you'll see what I have for my second fueling, and I'll be home for lunch. I will see you later.
Total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something, 'cause I feel alone in a room surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you,
Okay, so I made it home for lunch and I decided to have the cheesy buttermilk mac and cheese. It's been a while since I've had that, and I normally make it in my air fryer. I use this Pioneer Woman crock, and I mix the cheesy buttermilk mac and cheese mix with a 1/2 cup water, and then I put it in the refrigerator. I do that in the morning, and then when I come home for lunch, all the noodles have absorbed the water and they're not crunchy anymore. So then you just put it in the air fryer at 400 for 11 minutes, and it makes a nice baked surface on it. But I didn't think of that this morning, so I just made it according to package directions, and it was pretty good. So I did get an order from Temu. I have bought a few things on Temu and Shein. They're so cheap, I know, but sometimes it has good stuff. So I'm gonna move into the living room and I'm gonna show you what I got today from Temu. All right, so I'm gonna show you my haul from Temu. I got a couple things of jewelry. I need to get my scissors for that one. I'll come back to that. I got this pretty beachy necklace, and it has matching earrings. If you can see that. I thought that'd be pretty with like white and blue outfits. So I got that. Right here. And I got a pair of sandals. And I tried them on, they fit. Aren't these cute? I like the darker brown. It kind of blends with your skin tone and makes your legs look longer. But I thought these were really nice, and I want to say they were like $10. So there's that. And I got a pair of shorts. You know, it's so hard to figure out what size to order on Temu. Sometimes I order a normal size and it's too small, and sometimes I order a bigger size and it's too big. I don't know what the happy medium is, But I did get these shorts, and they do fit. I tried them on. They're really pretty. They've got these gold buttons. They do fit, but they are slightly tight at the waist. But I figure I am well on my way towards losing weight. And I'll say another 5 pounds and they'll fit great. And to go with that, I got some tank tops. And what I like about the tank tops is that I can also wear them under suit jackets. And I thought this was cute. And I have a suit jacket that is this burnt orange color. And I also have one that is this army green. So I think that will be really pretty. You'll see that coming up in probably upcoming videos. Okay. And I got a shorts outfit. And I want to say the entire thing was maybe $10, maybe not even. And it's a tank top. It's got the like kind of scrunched up high neck. So they've got the tank top and matching shorts. I have not tried these on, but I do think they're gonna fit, just from the looks of them. And the shorts, where are they? Can't figure out which is which. Okay, so that's the front, and it ties in a bow in the front, and it goes with the tank top. So I thought that was pretty cute. And let's see, another tank top. Similar colors, but I thought it was pretty. This would be pretty with my burnt orange blazer with it. So I think that'll be pretty. And it also goes with the tan shorts that I got. Now this one I was a little disappointed in because in the pictures it looked like it was going to be much nicer. Now this is an example of one that I ordered the size that I thought would fit me, and it's huge. So I don't know. I'm not even sure it's worth sending back, but yeah, it's pretty big. But I haven't tried it on. I'll have to see how bad it looks. But yeah, that one, I liked the ruffles because that kind of hides stuff. But yeah, that looks like it's gonna be too big. And then last but not least, I've got this shirt, this t-shirt, and this also looks too big, but it's a t-shirt, so it doesn't matter. It'd be cute just to wear over a bathing suit and like tie, since it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Rest in peace, Jimmy Buffett. And then like tie this in a knot. I think that'd be cute. And then I got some earrings to go with it. Let me go get my scissors. So here's the earrings that I got. How fun are they? So that's my Temu haul. I did order another necklace, but it came broken. But it was only like $2, so I'm not sure whether I'm gonna send it back or what. I guess I'll contact the company, but I'm gonna try all this on later when I get home from work. So I'm gonna head back to the office and you'll see what I have for my fourth fueling. But then right after work, I have to rush to my nail salon to get my nails done. I was supposed to get them done last week, and normally I always go on Wednesdays, and they usually give me a card with the date and time on it. They didn't last time, and so last Tuesday I was sitting here and I get a call and they're like, "Where are you?" I thought it was on Wednesday. So I totally missed my appointment, and they are a by appointment only salon. So I felt really bad. But anyway, so I agreed to come today right after work. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to have my fourth fueling a little bit later in the day. I'll try to stretch it out to maybe like 4 o'clock. And then when I come home, then I had taken a chili out of the freezer. Now, I made Instant Pot chili a few weeks ago, and I froze the leftovers. And I will link that recipe down below, and actually I'll try to link the video up here. But essentially, I adapted Sandy's Kitchen Adventures recipe for crock pot chili, and I put it in the Instant Pot. And I also added 2.5 cups of chopped zucchini. The recipe makes 5 servings, but only provided for 2 greens. So I wanted a complete lean and green. Half a cup of zucchini is a green. So I added 2.5 cups to the recipe, and it bulks it up. You cannot really taste the zucchini. It has a nice texture because, you know, it doesn't have beans in it. So it makes it a nice texture, and I think it really improves the recipe. I highly recommend it. And it's so easy to pop in the microwave. So when I get home from having my nails done, I will have the chili for my lean and green tonight. And weather permitting, I want to do another walk. I am trying to walk at least half an hour a day, every day. My goal is every day, and then hopefully I'll at least make 5 of the 7. Anyway, I'm really trying to do this and just to get my head in the right space. Right now I'm feeling pretty good. I feel like I'm in a routine and it doesn't seem hard. And that's where I like to be. I call that the sweet spot. You know, I'm eating my fuelings, making my lean and greens, and it doesn't seem like it's that hard. Then, of course, we have Leo here laying on my clothes because that's what he likes to do. All right, so I'm gonna head back to work and then to the nail place, and then I'll be home for my lean and green. I will see you then.
Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you, under streetlights, right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you. I've been a cynic for so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. I feel like every word is so translucent.
All right, well, it is time for my last fueling, and I haven't made it yet. I am going to make my vanilla shake soft serve style. So I am winding down for the night. It was a really busy day, or I should say busy evening. I raced to get to my nail appointment, got that done, and then I went to Sam's Club because Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday, and I've been racking my brain trying to figure out a way to celebrate the day with my kids and their significant others and Mike, without it putting too much pressure on me to go off plan. And what I came up with was I want crab legs. Mike is a pro at making crab legs. So I invited the kids over for Sunday evening. And so I went to Sam's Club and I got 4 big packages of snow crab legs. And my idea is I'll have that with crab being a leanest. I get 2 healthy fats. I'm going to use some light butter with my crab legs for my healthy fats. And then I'm going to have some cut up vegetables on the side and maybe some salad. And then I'll probably have cheese and crackers or something for the kids as well. But I think that's a way to have a fabulous meal and still stay on plan. I'm actually looking forward to it. So I'm going to wind down for the night and relax a little bit. After I say goodbye to you guys, I'm going to go in and make my vanilla shake and call it a night. It has been a great May kickstart, and thank you for everyone who did this with me. I feel like I'm in a good routine and I am going to keep going. And if you are on this journey with me, please shoot me a comment below. I enjoy all of your guys' input. I like to hear your stories and it inspires me. So please shoot me a comment below. All right, well, I am going to say goodnight, and probably the next time you'll see me is on Mother's Day. I'll probably do a video on Saturday after I go to my Weight Watchers meeting, and I'll let you guys know how much more I lost this week. And I'll have a little mini grocery haul, I think, getting ready for Mother's Day. But it will air on Sunday. So if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. Good night, and I will see you next time.